Okay, let's get started. Power cord, USB. Oh! Do you need help setting up your Cricut Maker? How about we do it together? Coming up next. What was your favorite thing that came? Hey everyone. Hi everyone, I'm Diette and welcome to Turtle Creativity. On this channel, we do creative crafts, fun tutorials, and crafty talks. Does this sound like something you'll be interested in? If so, please subscribe below. Now today, I am so excited because we are finally going to get started with setting up our Cricut Maker. So, first things first, I've already plugged in the power cord into the outlet. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this into our Cricut Maker. For the next cord that we're going to plug in is our USB cord to the laptop. You do not have to use a laptop. You can use your phone. You can use your iPad. Cricut Maker has a phenomenal Bluetooth feature that you can also use. For me, I am just using my laptop. All right, on the front of the box, it says, let's get started. And it tells you to begin to go to Cricut.com/setup. I've already went there and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So it's gonna click on get started. And it's gonna direct you to create a Cricut ID. I already have a Cricut ID, so for me, I am going to go ahead and sign in. I am so excited to get started. All right. Typing in my password. All right, now it's telling us to go ahead and download the design space. And we're gonna go ahead and let that download. Yay, so excited. All right, now it says set up Cricut design space. Welcome, let's help you get Cricut design space set up. We're gonna go ahead and click next. There's a term of use that you definitely need to read it all. Once you go ahead and read it, everything that it tells you to do, you're gonna go ahead and accept the agreement and click install. And yes, I'm gonna allow this device to be loaded up on my laptop. Whew, that went pretty fast. All right, the setup is done. I'm gonna go ahead and allow access for that. And then we're gonna click done. And it's gonna say continue. All right, whew, I've already collected my USB cord to that, so I was one step ahead. Now it's asking us to hit the power button, and we're gonna go ahead and turn on the power button. Oh, listen to that sound. I am excited. All right. So now on my laptop, it definitely lets me know that the device is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and click the green button of continue, and it's telling me to please wait. It's telling us that we need to update our firmware. It's already updated. And now we're ready for the fun part, which is getting ready for our first project. All right, our Cricut Maker is all set up and we're ready to make our first project. Please join me in the next video as I do a step-by-step tutorial on how to make the smile card. Well, friends, if you like this and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting! Bye!